ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang, so take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Devil card. Wow! Followed by the High Priestess. Bakit parang meron ka ditong hinagap, no? Meron ka ditong gut feeling na someday, one day, itong situation na ito is mangyayari. It kind of make me feel that parang meron ditong kaba, takot, no? Para kasing meron ditong pangyayari na ayaw mo sanang mangyari, pero parang feeling mo, it's about to happen. Maybe soon, maybe sa dadating na panahon. Pero, syempre, you're crossing your fingers for it not to happen. Kaya malakas yung kaba or kutob mo na feeling ko nangyayari na, paparating na. Let's say, hindi ka nakakatulog kasi meron, kumbaga, balisa, no? Balisa ka. Merong kaba. Pwede rin itong, bakit ganito yung person ko? Ba't ganito yung mga actions niya ngayon? Kinakabahan ako, baka kasi meron ng kapalit, may pumalit sa akin. So, kind of, I'm not really sure what's happening, no? With the Hierophant, okay, so, ikaw mismo, yung puso mo, parang ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, kumalma ka, kumalma ka, kumalma ka. Ang weird lang kasi pwedeng hindi pa ito evident, no, sa current situation. Pero, inaano ka na, parang minumulto ka na nito. Kasi kung ang situation nito is positive, meron kang may excitement. Pero bakit pagdating dito, fear, na parang pinapakalma mo yung sarili mo. Pwede rin kasi nandito yung kailangan ko magalit or nagagalit na ako, naiinis na ako. And then sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, sandali, kumalma ka, kumalma ka, kumalma ka. Pwedeng huminga ka ng malalim, pumipikit ka, you're trying to sleep more kasi there's also something in here you're trying to escape, no? Your current situation. With the 10 of Cups, so, bakit parang natatakot ka dito sa either person mo, sa relationship ninyo? It started real good. It started okay naman. So, siguro nagbabago nga yung mga kilos ni person, the way your person speaks to you, the way that your person probably treated the connection, baka nanlalamig na. So, well, kung mahal mo talaga, syempre nakakabalisa. The 10 of Cups is clarified with the 2 of Hazards and the 3 of Cups. So, pwede rin kayo may mga pangako dito from the past, no? Or pangako, period. Pero, ngayon parang you're juggling. Is it going to happen? Is it still going to happen? No? That might be a question hanging around your head kasi parang feeling mo, parang hindi na ito matutuloy. Yung pakiwari mo, parang hindi na siya, parang hindi ito nag-move forward or hindi ito mag-move forward. With the 3 of Hazards. So nakikita natin dito, the 3 of Hazards, you're trying to observe things, probably pinag-aaralan mo, or probably ikaw mismo, no? Bakit parang ang advance mo mag-isip? Kasi hindi pa siya nangyayari. It's all just a thought. Pero parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, learn to let go or learn how to unlove your person gradually. Siyempre, hindi naman ito ganun kadali, di ba? You invested time, energy to your person, di ba? Hindi ito ganun kadali. Kaya, parang hindi maging mahirap sa'yo, what you're doing here is, ikaw na unti-unti, no? Ikaw na lumalayo ng paunti-unti. So, with the Seven of Wands, nakikita natin dito, the Seven of Wands kasi, you're trying to, ano ba sasabihin ko, more of strategize, no? Siguro ayaw mo ding ipahalata kay person na masakit na, nasasaktan ka na, or natatakot ka na. There's something here, you're trying to pretend to be happy with your person still. Pero, bakit hindi mo kinakausap? I'm not quite sure bakit walang conversation dito. Baka maalog lalo, baka mas lalong masira. The Seven of Swords and the Eight of Swords. Parang kinikimkim mo sa sarili mo na ayokong itanong, natatakot ako. Meron bang iba? Baka kasi ang isagot, oo. Pag tinanong ko na, mahal mo ba ako? Baka kasi ang isagot is hindi na. So, you're pretending to not have a problem. At this current moment, probably you have two faces. You're smiling, no, in front of your person, but deep inside your heart is bleeding. With the Three of Wands, so what are you waiting? Parang inaantay mo na lang siguro mamanhid, no, yung feelings mo. You might be in a situation wherein it's really hard to let go, but you're slowly embracing and gradually, sabihin natin, unti-unti ko tinatanggap yung lost, no? Parang ito yung kanta nung sa, naalala ko tuloy sino yun, yung fina-follow kong singer, Singket, na nasa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Yung there's no easy way, no, to break somebody. There's no easy way. James Ingram yata yun. Parang you're trying to be kind to your person, even though that you are hurting. You wanted to be classy, no, even though that this is a dying relationship. Yeah, with the Two of Swords. Ito yung sinasabi ko kasi, ano ka na meron kang, deep inside of you, things are going to happen. Ayaw mo mangyari, pero bakit doon ka nakafocus, no? With the Magician. Well then, yun ang sinasabi natin. This might be a manifestation na ayaw natin mangyari, pero yun kasi dinidiligan natin. When it comes to manifestations, kung ano yung saan tayo nakafocus, kung ano yung mas dominant na energy sa atin, yun yung nangyayari. My suggestion in here, kung ayaw mo talaga na magkaroon kayo ng separation, then look for solutions instead of expecting, no, for a devastations. Probably visualize that things are okay with you and your person, no, instead of visualizing the separation. I feel like this is something that you created, manifested. I'm seeing separation because of what you are actually inviting into your world, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know that kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayo mga tanong dito sa ating question, dito sa reading or question about manifestations, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Na? Now, let's check the zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Aries, Gemini rather, Libra, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Capricorn,